Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a rather scary video for me. This is gonna be intense. I'm trying to work myself up to it because if you guys don't know, I hate needles, and doing this is like it goes against everything that I believe. I hate needles, guys. So I'm gonna be piercing my ears with the $1 piercing gun from Shein. Yes, they do have piercing guns from Shein for $1. Now it is one-time use, so if you want 2 holes, you're gonna have to buy 2 of them. But I am really nervous. I feel like I'm getting like I'm getting like jitters and I'm feeling shaky. So I'm gonna try to be calm and put myself in a happy place because I am scared, guys. Okay, so the piercing gun looks like this. It comes in this little pack right here, and like I said, it's $1. I got 2 of them, obviously. I'm gonna attempt to pierce my second hole. I do already have a hole in each ear for my earrings that I had for a long time. I always wanted to have another piercing, and I think today's the day. Please, guys, pray for me. I'm scared. I said a little prayer before I began this video because I'm that scared. I'm not kidding you guys. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it. I might not even post this. Who knows? Like, if I can't do it, I probably will not. You know what I mean? Because it's scary. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sanitize it with some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna use a marker. I might use a pen because I don't have that skinny marker. I wish I did, but I don't. So if this is like too thick, I might have to use just a pen and twist it where I can mark it. I do want to mark it because I don't want to mess it up and just kind of aim for it and then have it all weird. I'm gonna use some cotton pads to sanitize my ears and the piercing gun. So let's begin. I already opened one of them up and it looks like this. It's so intimidating, honestly, because of the needle. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Okay, this is really hard for me because I hate needles, guys. Like, I'm terrified of needles. You guys have no idea. It scares the life out of me. So I'm gonna clean my ears. I'm gonna have my mirror right here because I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier. Obviously, I don't recommend you doing this without a mirror because, I mean, I don't think you want messed up ears. I'm scared, guys. I'm so scared. I always make sure to clean it really well before you do this, because honestly, you don't want them to get infected. Okay, and now that I cleaned it, I'm also gonna clean this one right here. I'm gonna use the other side, and I'm just gonna clean the needle, and also this one right here. Now, it does say that it's sterile. Right here, it does say that it's sterile, but I always like to clean it just in case, and I do recommend that you do that before you pierce your ears. And you know what? I think I'm gonna use this because I'm looking at this marker. This marker is way too thick. It's gonna be like a big old blob. That's not what I want. So I'm gonna make a little hole where I want it. Let me see. Hopefully I can do this, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Okay, so I want it, so if I have it here, maybe about here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea. I'm like literally shaking right now. I'm trying to shake off my jitters. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. I don't know why, but it's so scary. Like, I feel so scared to do this, but I want to do it because I want to get it over with, and hopefully it will help me with my fear of needles. Okay, so there's that one. Hopefully you guys can see it. I made a little mark right there, and then I'm gonna make a little mark right here as well. Oh my gosh, I made it way too big. Hold up. Okay, there it goes. Now I'm gonna look in the mirror to make sure that they look even. And I've seen people do this without marking the spot, but honestly, I would definitely mark it because I do not want messed up ears and I'm not gonna risk it. If you are brave like that, that is awesome. I think we are ready. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I could do this. I don't know if, oh God, please help me, God. I don't know if I could do this. I don't know. Okay, okay. Okay, come on, girl. You're tough. You're tough. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I doing this? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. You have no idea, guys. If I mess up, I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna do it, guys. In Jesus' name. Help me, Lord. Oh, okay. Did it go in? Oh my gosh, did I pierce it? Oh my gosh, it went through. I pierced my ears, guys. This is crazy. Look. Oh my gosh. It was not as bad as I thought it would be. Ooh, I thought I was gonna faint. It was not that bad. Look at that. Oh, okay. Round 2. I like it. And it does come with the earring. Just so you guys know, the earring is already inside. I'm getting nervous now, even though like it wasn't that bad. I'm still a little nervous to do the second one, but we're gonna get through it, guys. We're gonna get through it. Woo! All right, girl. I'm gonna sterilize this as well, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. I'm still shaking, guys. I can't believe I just pierced my ears. Lord, have mercy. I do like it though. I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I really love it. Okay. Okay. I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. I don't know why. I'm still get nervous. Okay, hold up, hold up. Let me check one more time. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold up. Oh, it's not working. What the heck? This one is not working. I'm scared now. Okay, guys. In Jesus' name, please let it go through. Ow! Ooh, this one hurt more. Like, that one hurt just a little bit, but this one hurt. Ooh. Okay, it did go through, but that one hurt. That sucker hurt. But you know what? It was not as bad as I thought it would be. Look at this, guys. Let me show you. Look at this. That is insane. And let me put my other earrings in here so you can see how it looks with both of my ears pierced. Okay, guys, so I got my other studs in. Now, I would not wear these together, but I cannot find my other silver studs. So I just decided to show you guys this just for demonstration. It looks like this. I really love the way it came out. I am so thrilled. The only thing is my ears feel extremely hot, especially this one. You can see it's like red. And oh my gosh, I just cannot believe I just did that. I did actually purchase 4 of these because I do want one more right here. I always love that look of 3 in a row. So because this went so well, I'm gonna pierce the other ones. But yeah, it looks like this, guys. Look at this. Like, it legit went through. It was not as bad as I thought it would be. I feel like I just freaked myself out. And for me, having fear of needles, this is a big deal for me to actually pierce my ears. You guys have no idea. I have real phobia for needles. So I do recommend that if you want to pierce your ears, you might want to check out Shein. It's $1 compared to the piercing gun that they also carry on Amazon, but on Amazon it's $10 and on Shein it's $1. And one tip, guys, is yes, you usually have to pay for shipping, which is $3.99, but it would still be cheaper than $10. What you can do to get free shipping is usually, I notice on Saturday or Sunday, they always have free shipping on any order. So if you only buy like 2 of these for $2, you get free shipping, and that's all you're gonna pay. And it actually works amazing. That's what I'm impressed about. I feel like I was really taking a risk when I used this $1 piercing gun. I was not sure if it's gonna work, but honestly, it's $1, guys, but it works. But like I said, this is a one-time use. So once you use it, you throw it away. It is pretty awesome, guys. Really happy with it. So anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. And if you guys are still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Hey guys, so I actually decided to pierce the other one. So now I have 3 rows of pierced ears, and I have to say it came out amazing. Look at this. My ears are red. They are slightly hurting and a little bit burning, but no big deal. It is perfect. I'm so happy the way they came out. Look at this. I love it. I am thinking of getting a smaller stud for the one on top because I like it to go from biggest to smallest. But it's really good.